Hi guys, over here I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how to remove the lock screen password, pin or pattern depending on what you use. The process is quite the same. So basically what you want to do is to open up the settings of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You want to scroll all the way down until you find the lock screen and AOD option. Go ahead and select that, and then at the top you're going to see the screen lock and biometrics option. Select that as well, then proceed to enter your password, pin or pattern over here. And as you can see, a pattern lock is currently enabled in my own device. Yours can be your password or your pin, but what you just want to do is to select on the swipe option over here. And now if you lock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and then try to open it up, all you just have to do is to swipe and you're good to go. That is how to remove lock screen password, pin or pattern. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.